how to increase font size Reddit comment. First, as you get on that selection, the main point it is to go on your profile action in right upper side, go settings on the last selection, and as you get right here on all that stuff selection, the main point as you get on all that selection, it is by scrolling down and taking a look on all of these selections which are available for your side screen. As you can see right here, you have default view. Just go click on that selection. You can change default view, but as you can see, is there an option to simply go and take over the comment section. As you get on that selection, you're gonna see, guys, that on that side screen there is no side section which will take you and get that site. I need to tell you that simply need to get the latest version of your site section on Reddit. If you have available the new and the future which are taking off to don't have that satisfies connection, it will take you to the main point.